Boys, I've been backtesting my new futures trading strategy for the last 4 weeks, trying to make exactly what I want to do every single day so much easier, and I think I did it. 1 like equals 1 profit from account. I full port tomorrow. We took 3 trades this week live, went 3 for 3 for a total of 340 points on the week in 3 days. Now this might look like I just got lucky. This is something that just, might have happened randomly. I've been backtesting so fucking much more than I ever have in my entire life. I had 1 red week, but it was very, very small. I'm going back to my roots of supply and demand. You guys know I've been trading supply and demand forever. Mainly it was on options, trying to switch to futures, had to kind of change some things a little bit, got pretty comfortable, doing pretty well, but I did switch to scalping. Now I'm finally going back to that. Main reason why I stopped scalping. So many people are asking me, why did I stop scalping if I made so much money? It's so hard to continuously scalp after losing so many trades in a row. Reminder, the trades that I do lose are very small losses. Mostly there will be around 10-point loss trades. The monetary side of it was totally fine. I'm still very up on what I did versus when I first started scalping. But the last 2 weeks, I did have red weeks. Problem was just continuously losing trades over and over and over again. It's so hard to take 3, 4, 5 trades a day, lose all of them, to only being down like 30, 40 points. But just continuing to take trades after that, it's so hard. It was draining my mental. This just presents a way realer outlook for myself. It's around 1 trade a day if I'm lucky. Sometimes I don't even have trades. I'm more now targeting session moves more than anything. I'm just trying to catch the overall trend of the day. This trade specifically, we got really close to being stopped out on. Ended up coming back up. We were around 50 points of profit, and I just decided to close it out because we got so lucky with it being stopped out. We were literally a half a point from being stopped out. Came back up to opening high. This was a really rangy day, so I just decided to close out for 50 points profit. Just because, again, we got pretty lucky on that, and we ended up actually doing the right thing there. We caught pretty much the top of it before we dropped. I took a trade Thursday. This was not a real trade. This was just something I marked on my chart. Again, I was done after Wednesday because I was already up so much. We had around 150 points in profit, or 130, my bad. I was targeting 198. Problem is that we came up and we had to close this. We would have closed this out for 14 points in profit at a market close. But problem here, and one thing I do need to change, because a lot of people are asking me to release this strategy, give you guys the strategy in my Discord. I want to make a video about this in my mentorship, make sure that people can use this too. I just don't have enough of live data sample size to give to you. I hope you guys understand that, to make sure that this is actually something that I actually, stamp my certification on. Yes, I had a good week, but I need more weeks of live trading, because backtesting is great, but you need to have the in-person, in-time, real-time data. This is a really good sign for the future. I want to find a way. There's still stuff that I'm tweaking. This is my first week trading live. Like I said, there needs to be a scenario where if I'm up 100 and over 100 points, I need to move my SL to something else, because that's just not good trading. Being 100 points in profit and not, getting any reward for it. So I need to find a way to dial that back a little bit. And on Friday, we had a trade that I did alert. It was a trade right at this median, I believe. And no, it was actually at the entrance of this zone. I think it was a 58-point loss. We did end up hitting our SL, and unfortunately, price did come back down, and we would have hit TP. TP was right here. But, I did alert this trade. This was on an eval. I made it very clear to everybody that did take the alert that this was on an eval. This is one of my lighter losses, around, I think it was 58 points, and we moved on with our day. It was okay. But live trading this week, we went 3 for 3. This trade was this is one of my best trades of all time. Just from a entry standpoint, you guys can see, came back down, entered into this trade. Oh my gosh, man, what a beautiful entry. Pretty much never was in drawdown. We did have a 100-point SL in this trade, and this was based off of last week's zones. I do have them removed now, but I am trading off of highs, lows, just majority of big supply zones that you'll see on the bigger time frames. And we caught 165 points on this. Wow, bro, just a beautiful trade. Like, just looking at this, wow. Make a grown man cry. Second trade got a little bit more iffy, but you guys can see we had the exact same setup. Bought into this zone. Tickled our SL for a little bit, but ended up coming back up, pushing, hitting TP. Super clean. Just wow, man. I just really like this style, the bigger time frames, being able to actually enter the trade, wait a little bit, go live my life. Like this Monday trade, I was playing pickleball. I didn't even know what was going on. I entered the trade, set our SL, set our TP, fuck off. That's what I love about this, bro. When I was scalping, it's just like, okay, I'm in, I'm out. Like, and it was pays the bills, bro, but just a little bit tough for me. This Wednesday trade, again, I want to really dive into this one because this one was just a little scary. When I say little, very, very, very scary. Entered in at 404, got literally half a point away from getting stopped out. By the grace of God, this is a luck trade, and that's why I closed this out early, just because this was luck, man. And of course, it's good to see that it was inside of my zone because only verifies my zones do work, but got very, very lucky that some buyers picked us up there. Just shows the verification of the zones. Bought back up. And again, I could have held this, but you guys can see early in the morning we were just chopping like crazy. So I drew a zone at this high, just figured take out for 50 points. End the day after that because that was just a little spooky. And you guys can see we literally almost caught pretty much the high of the rest of the day there, which is really nice. So yeah, wow, just really liking the future outcome of this trading style. I think it's super, super good, you know, just for a majority of traders because of the ability to enter, exit, fuck off, you know, and see the giant rewards for this. You know, every week that I back tested, I think I was seeing around $3,000 profit per mini, which, you know, that's pretty good. I think my average RR is around 1.7 right now, and a lot of people were glazing me for that, like saying it's not enough or saying that it's, you know, my strategy sucks. Like, you know, money talks, bro, shit walks. So beat me then. But yeah, this is just something I'm super, super excited to just, you know, do more of, show you guys more of. But I hope you guys understand. I just want more time under my belt before I give you this, you know, because I can just, oh my God, guys, this is the best trading strategy in the world. And I could clickbait you guys for a bunch of views and make a bunch of money. But that's not good because this isn't something that is verified just yet for me. But it just shows great outlook, you know, great opportunity in front of us to actually try and take this to the next level. Hopefully we can have a good week next week and, you know, tomorrow and continue this. But hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are having an amazing week. I'm dropping a fucking crazy video tomorrow. I don't want to tease it, but I'm starting a mentorship on my YouTube. Just going to make sure you guys are as locked in as possible. So make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like the video. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys have an amazing week. Go Packers, and let's go.